Hi guys, so this is my analysis on XRP. What am I expecting on XRP? If you watched my previous analysis on XRP, I said we might push up to this level right here, and that's because I saw more of like an uptrend pattern right here. You can see an uptrend, an impulse, a correction, a possible continuation to the upside around this level, and I said there's a possibility that we might get to this target right here. But as we can see, it's been rejecting all this level right here. So let's see how that goes. Let me delete my previous analysis so we can see. I can delete this too, since you can see. Let me go to a bigger time frame for me to see a little bit more. Yeah, so since we are off this trend line right here, we're rejecting all this trend line, so I can see there's a possibility that we might still continue to push to the downside. I can use my trend line right here, this level right here. I can draw another trend line here, just to indicate more if we are going to continue to push to the up or downside. So right now it's a little bit in. So right now it's a little bit indecisive though, because of how it's reacting around this level, but because of it's rejecting of this trend line right here. So I'll still assume maybe we are still gonna go to the downside, and this will be my next target to the downside around this level right here, because that level has my negative 61.8 fib level around that area. So there's a possibility that we might get to that level. So let's just see to this level. But if we go above this trend line, retest and move to the upside, I see it's coming to, let me draw my fib around this level. So if you move above, I see it's coming up to this target right here, which is around 0.5003 to my 61.8% fib level, which is around 0.5184. So there's a possibility that, so we just have to wait and see what's doing. So if we push up to, let's see, do it. So if we push up from here to here, this is my target right at this level right here. So let's see how that plays out, depending on how it works. So because we might still push to the upside, to be honest, because of it's rejecting of my negative 27%. But another scenario that I'm seeing is because of this trend line right, is rejecting of that trend line as well. So right now XRP is a little bit more indecisive until we see how it happens. But this is just my overall target, is whether it goes up or down. So this is my analysis on LUNAC Classic. If you watched my previous analysis on LUNAC Classic, I said I was expecting it to push up to this level as well, but I said I analyzed two analyses, right? I said if we push to the down, if we break this trend line right here and retest this trend line, there's a possibility that we'll push up to this right here, and we can see the bullish move did not do exactly the way we wanted it to do, but the bearish move did. So I'm going to delete the current action and analyze, since we have currently gotten to our target, which is around that level. So let's delete what we have so we can reanalyze another fresh analysis using the current price action we have. So this one has been fulfilled. Let's now see what next. So if you look at the weekly time frame on LUNAC Classic, you can see as of right now LUNAC Classic is wicking around my deep fib level, which is around 88.6% fib level. So that is a really significant area right at this area right here. So we might see a push to the upside in a classic. So that's what I'm seeing, a push to the upside. So let's see how that plays out. So we can see, right? So I think my first target for the push to the upside, and we can see rejection around this level. So I'll wait and see if there are a lot of rejections around this level to at least push up. But my target for pushing up is this right here. There is an imbalance right at this level. Yeah, there is an imbalance there, and that can be our next target. And we can also see that as like more of like a retest as well. So we can draw a trend line here to here, here to here. Okay, we can draw this here. Yeah, so what are we seeing right here? We can see this as two confluences. There's a breakup structure around this trend line right here, this structure. So we can see this buy here as a means of like a retest around that area first. And we can see there's also an imbalance that needs to be filled around this level right here. That needs to be filled around that level right here. So I'm expecting a push to the upside on classic LUNAC. So that's what we're expecting. Let's see how that plays out and give us. But I can just put analysis on this right here, just to see how it's rejecting around this level right here. You can see it's currently rejecting around so putting it right here, we can see it's currently rejecting around my 78.6 fib level right at this level right here. So that's a possibility that we might push to the upside. So this will be my first target here, my second target here, and possible top target around this level. So the first target, second target, third target. Let's see how that reacts. So let me just draw a line here to just see first target and second target, and let's see how that reacts as of right now. So that's just my analysis on LUNAC Classic, guys. So I hope this is insightful. If you like my videos, please don't forget to share, comment, and like, and I'll see you in my next analysis. Thank you.